DJI has unveiled the Avata 360, an FPV drone with 360-degree all-round view and 8K video recording. The Chinese company DJI has introduced the Avata 360 FPV drone with full spherical capture. 2-inch sensors with a resolution of 8K at 60 frames per second for video and 120 megapixels for photos are responsible for shooting. Sales will begin on April 26th, and prices in Europe start at €720. The Avata 360 camera module is based on two 64-megapixel sensors, each with an aperture of f1.9. The camera lenses cover 200 degrees horizontally, and together they create a full 360-degree sphere. There are two shooting modes, full 360-degree capture in 8K at 60 frames per second and FPV mode in 4K at 120 frames per second. The drone captures everything around it, allowing users to choose the best angle during post-processing. The DJI O4 Plus module is responsible for data transmission, providing a communication range of up to 20 kilometers. Video streaming is available in 1080p at 60 frames per second. There is a built-in 42GB drive, enough to record up to 30 minutes of 360-degree video. The device supports Wi-Fi 6 with transfer speeds up to 100 megabits per second. The device weighs 400 grams. The Avata 360 is equipped with a removable 38.6 watt-hour battery, delivering up to 25 minutes of flight time. Camera lenses can be replaced independently, which is especially useful for FPV drones that are more likely to be damaged. The drone supports DJI RC2, RCN2, RCN3 controllers and motion controllers, with video displayed on DJI goggles. Intelligent features include object tracking, obstacle avoidance, and terrain following across different flight paths. The DJI Avata 360 will go on sale on April 26th, with multiple configurations available at different price levels. Like and subscribe for more tech!